It's I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter that is this is part 2 of the magic mirror. On a rainy afternoon, having nothing to do, Ammu and her brother Arun were bored, so they sat looking out at the rain. To pass time, they decided to explore the attic of their home. The attic was dark and dusty. They came across a mirror which was surprisingly clean and shiny. While they looked at the reflection in it, the old grandfather clock in the attic struck 5. That's weird, Arun said. I thought the clock was junk. They felt that the mirror was calling them. Arun stretched his hand towards the mirror. His hand went right through the mirror as if it were water. He withdrew his hand hastily. They looked at each other in amazement. Shall we step into the mirror? Arun asked. Amun nodded. 1, 2, 3. They stepped into the mirror. Suddenly, they found themselves in a forest. It was quite dark. The leaf of the forest overhead blocked the sunlight. It was just like in books where something magical happens, said Arun. It's so exciting. They found their way out of the forest into a field of blue and red flowers. Butterflies were fluttering from flowers to flowers. The fields were lit by the evening sun. Standing in the field was a white horse with silver wings. Whoa, it's Pegasus, the winged horse, exclaimed Amu. They walked towards it. Pegasus raised its head. Who are you? Asked Pegasus. Arun answered shyly. I am Arun. This is Amu. Pegasus looked at them curiously. Where did you came from? Pegasus asked. We came through a magic mirror, said Amu. Well, what would have been exciting, said Pegasus. It will soon be dark. I had better go home, said Pegasus. Can we come too? Asked the children. Of course, climb on my back, Pegasus said. They scrambled out Pegasus' back. They soared through the air and finally landed on a soft, warm grass under a big tree. Then they flew through a forest, a field, and over a hill to a cottage. A man in blue robe opened the door and asked them to follow him in. They followed him into a room where they saw a mirror. It looked exactly the mirror in the attic. Step into the mirror and you will be home, said Pegasus. The children thanked Pegasus. They stepped into the mirror and found themselves back in the attic. It was still raining. Arun looked at Amu and said, that was the most exciting adventure we had ever had. Yes, really, Amu said. They heard their mother calling them. They had got down with the attic and walked into the kitchen just in time for dinner. They told their mother about their adventure, but she did not believe it. When they went to the bed, they dreamed of going through the mirrors and having more exciting adventures. Thank you.